Hi guys, in this video tutorial, today I'm going to show you how to fix a DLL. It's a MSVCP140 DLL problem. So normally you get this type of error or alert on your computer when your operating system uh, does not contain this DLL file. uh, in your, like, suppose if you have installed your operating system in C folder, C drive, then that DLL file is missing from your C drive. This is the reason it's not it's creating that issue. So you can also read this article on my blogging website, which is www.pctipspro.com. So let's proceed further to show you how you can fix that issue. So in order to get this problem fixed of this DLL issue, MSVCP140.dll, first of all you need to go to the search bar and type in there folder option. Here you can see control panel, folder option, then go to the views, and you can see here hidden file and folders. It's selected don't show hidden files and folder or drive. So select this one, show hidden file folders and the drives, and click on apply and OK. Now once you done with this steps, so in order to fix this MSVCP140.dll issue, now next step is to, you can open any browser, either it's Google Chrome, Firefox, Opera, Microsoft Edge, and copy that name of the DLL file and search with the download option and press enter. So you will get several options, you can see here, but you need to open the website which says www.dll-file.com. Make sure every time you want to download any DLL file, go to this website only. This is the best website I have ever seen to provide the DLL files correctly with the according to the your operating system which you're using. Now make sure uh, you can see once you search and once you open this file, uh, once you go to this website, I'm sorry, you need to scroll down and you can see there are several files available according to the operating system for 32 bits, 64 bit, right? And so what you have to do is you need to check your operating system for what bit of operating system you have. So for that purpose, you can just type in here this PC. Okay, here you can see it's came up, and click on the right and go to the properties option. Okay, then you will be able to see for what bit operating system you have. You can see it's 64-bit operating system with 64 uh, best processor. So I should download this 64-bit. According to your operating system, you need to download the same file which is compatible with your operating system. So just go and download the relevant file, okay, according to your operating system version. Okay, now you can see that the file is being downloaded. You can see over here, right? So let me, I will just open this one. Okay, now it's just came up here, you can see. So copy and just copy this file from here and paste this file on your desktop here. So I have just pasted the file desktop on the desktop. You can see here the file is downloaded of msvcp140.dll, right? Now next step is to again, if you're using Windows 10, type this PC, or if you're using Windows 7 or XP or Vista, type my computer. So open this PC, okay, and go to the C folder where you have installed your operating system. By default, every time you install the operating system, it goes to C drive. So you need to open the C drive, and once you open the C drive, open the Windows folder and search for the file. Look for the folder. I'm sorry, it's system32. Here you can see. So what you have to do the next, okay, that file, the DLL file, you just download it, just drag that file and move it to the system32. So if this DLL file is already available in your computer, then it will not create any alert like that, any error alert. But if it's not available, then it will be able to move, and you can easily move it to the system32 folder. So I already have this file, this DLL file in my system32 folder. This is the reason it's giving me a prompt here that destination already has a file named MSVCP140.dll. This is the reason either it's asking me to replace the file in destination or skip this. So as I already have this file in my system32, so I'm going to skip this. So this is the way, guy, how you can get your MSVCP140.dll issue fixed. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, and for more article, for more issues, if you have, you can go to my blogging website www.pctipspro.com, and you can read the article there also. If you have any issue, you can write in the comment. I will be definitely helping you for the same. Either you can write the comment on the blogging website or in the video also, and I am going to mention the link in the description from where you can just navigate to the exact article on the blogging website. So thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.